Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to fix this error an operating system was not found. Before we started, we need two software. First one is Windows installation disk and the second one is Hirens boot CD. Now go to the another computer and open the Windows installation disk. I have the ISO file of Windows 10 ISO file. Open with WinRAR and extract the boot mgr file. Boot mgr file helps Windows to start. So we need the boot mgr file. Now copy this boot mgr file to your pen drive. Okay. Now go to your corrupted Windows 10 and boot the Windows with Hirens boot CD. Now I am going to put the Hirens boot CD. Here we select Mini Windows XP. Now open my computer. Now here is my pen drive. Open pen drive and copy the boot mgr file and paste this file to the system reserved disk. This is the unlettered 500 MB disk automatically created during the Windows installation. Just open it and paste it here. And also paste in your C drive, means system drive. This is my C drive. Just open and paste it here. Now that's it. Now restart your computer. I think the problem is solved. Eject your Hirens boot CD and restart. Now you can see it started. Now you can see the Windows is started. So thank you for watching. If it works for you, please comment.